Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tosin for those that are new here, and as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 things I miss about Nigeria, 10 things I miss about home. Here is home now, so I think home is a wrong word, but you know this song that says like Ajo Dabile, you know that song? So like just 10 things I miss about living in Nigeria. I've wanted to put out this video for a while, but today I was just like, you know what, I miss Nigeria. So if you'd like to know more, definitely keep watching. You guys, the first thing I miss about Nigeria is going to wash my hair in the salon, having someone paint my nails. I'm tired of being independent. Like, I did acrylic before I came here, and to take it out I was just struggling. Like, it's not like they don't have salons here, but you know, it's not £20. I'm not gonna pay £20 for half I want to remove my acrylic, no. And I don't want, you know, to go to any shoddy place just because I'm looking for something cheap. So one thing I miss about Nigeria is just the ease of manpower and labor. Like being able to go to the salon and say, can you please take off these braids? Can you please help me loosen my hair? Can you help me weave my, you know, didi for my wig? Now everything is DIY. Like obviously when I went to uni here, that was 2013. When I was here for uni, like I did all these things myself, but I knew that it was just for a year. Now like it's for my whole life. I'm going to have to be doing DIY because your girl is very prudent, and I'm not going to go to the salon to pay £20 for someone to make 5 plaits on my hair. So that's the number one thing I miss about Nigeria. Second thing I miss about Nigeria is good food that is affordable. I think many things I'm going to talk about in this video is just me being a cheapskate, but really, like the other day I wanted to buy a goosey. Like what I do before, when I come to the UK for holiday or anything, I always bring my own food stuff in bulk and all that. But this time I think we ran out of some of the supplies, so I went to buy a goosey the other day, and I think a goosey was like £5, and it was like one sachet, you know, pure water. That was literally the size. Like I was so livid. I'm like, try, it was on my street now. 1,000 mutira goosey, you know, I'm good to go. Yeah, so I really miss like being able to buy like Nigerian food. The other day, so I bought plantain chips too for like £3, and I'm like, something that is 100 naira in traffic, that literally less than 50p. So you know, just accessibility to like Niger street bites, food like gala, all these kind of things at affordable prices. So that's the number 2 thing that I miss. Number 3 thing that I miss obviously is my mobility. Like currently here I don't drive yet, and I'm gonna do my driving test and all that. But like in Nigeria, before I just go out, I've jumped into my car, I'm out. I don't really say, I would say maybe that's obviously driving here is not a big deal. Everyone drives, but the transportation system here is so good that you don't even need to drive. People that even have cars don't drive to work, so you can just park your car and go. But I don't know if it's just Nigerian in me, like the fact that I have to go and wait at the bus stop and I'll be running. The other day I was running, I was like, God, this is not the life, you know. I miss like just being able to just jump into my car, move, even if I'm going to be traffic for 1 hour, but at least just that ease of, you know, entering my car and driving off. Of course, you guys, another thing that I miss about Nigeria is my tailor. Oh God, for me, if you're watching this, I miss you. I miss my tailor so much. I miss the fact that if anything should happen to my dress, my zipper spoils, as I'm just driving out, I'll just drop it by her, and on my way back from work I can pick it up. Here I heard that for men clothes is like it's better for you to just straight away and get a new one, you know. Just like I can have an event, like the other day I had an event, like we had a couples night, and I had to buy a dress, and I'm like, Mama, we buy what? I would have gone to Lagos Island, I would have picked my fabric, you know, something that is unique, like you know that when you're on the road no one can say, oh, that's from Topshop, right? No, it's not from Topshop, I made it, you know. So like just that ease of being able to like make my own clothes and, you know, have it custom made, as in we Nigerians, and affordable, like literally with like 10k you've made a dress. Or like here to get something like couture, you must be a big girl, you know. No, not obviously, like there are other people, like they're Nigerian tailor, there's seamstresses everywhere that make clothes, but I'm just used to, you know, having someone that already knows my body type, how they make my own clothes. And my tailor in Nigeria was actually really good, so I really miss that. I know that when I go home next, I'm going to make like different dresses that's going to last me for like a year. In fact, you guys, I had to buy a sewing machine, so I've gotten myself this, and yeah, I'm starting classes soon, so once I can make my own clothes myself, I'm sure this problem will be solved. Another thing I miss about Nigeria is obviously like praise and worship. I miss my church. In Nigeria, I attend a Pentecostal church, and for our praise and worship we sing Nigerian songs, all this "Eba mi ram papa," you know, you be dancing, good songs. Here, obviously, because it's a multicultural country, multicultural environment, they only play Christian songs and English songs, and when they finally decide to play, you know, tribal or ethnic songs, it's probably maybe on Thanksgiving, and that's just like one time every Sunday. So I actually miss my church. I miss, you know, really like having fun in church and, you know, just worshiping God in my own language. So I really miss that about Nigeria. Another thing obviously that I miss about Nigeria is the way I dress. I can't remember when last I looked nice in this country, like proper like decor. Everything I wear here, I have to be, you know, considerate of the weather. I can't, you know, I can't wear my pencil skirts. I have to wear leggings or tights, which is going to just spoil the entire outfit. I have to wear boots. I miss in Nigeria where I can wear my, you know, free dresses, my shift dresses, my gele, everything. Here, where are you going to? Just to where you'll be alright. So like really there's I just miss my sense of style in Nigeria. And I know that obviously people will be like, oh, but there are a lot of people that are here and they're equally, they're stylish and all that. You guys don't know what these bloggers go through, man. They will be in the cold, freezing, and then they'll be taking pictures for you. I cannot do that. I just won't do that, no. So I'd rather, maybe when it's summertime, maybe I would do blog post or look nicer. But for now, I just know I'm new. I'm JJC. Maybe when my skin now is now, you know, used to the Scottish weather, maybe I would be doing blog posts. Yeah. So another thing I miss about Nigeria obviously is the delicacy. Like just I can just wake up one day and say, you know what, I want to eat afang, and I cannot cook afang, and I'll just walk into Mega Chicken, walk into any fast food, and I'll buy my afang and I'll go back home. Or my edikaiko, or I say, you know, I want to eat plantain porridge. Now it's not like I said, obviously, like you can't make these things at home, but just the accessibility. Everything in the shops has spinach and kale. You can't make sweet edikaiko with only spinach and kale. You need the like proper Nigerian cool everything. And here, the African shop is even like miles away from my house. And I feel like if you're in more urban city, like maybe London, these issues will not be your problem. But I mean, like Glasgow, Scotland, they are African shops, but really a few. So I just miss that good food life. But obviously I think like I've been more healthy living here because of the accessibility to, you know, being able to buy fresh produce, being able to buy lots of variety of fruits, and they're really affordable, like grapes and all that good stuff. So that's good. But my Niger food, I miss it. So I really miss that. And strangely, another thing that I miss is just the hustle and bustle of Lagos. Like here is so serene, everyone is in their home. God knows, I live in an apartment block. I don't know anybody, I don't know my neighbors, I don't know anybody. No, everyone is on their own. And obviously, where I lived in Nigeria, we lived in an estate, and I probably knew only like maybe 10 people, but just that hustle and bustle when you're going out, discreting man has greeted you, mama alpha, you know, you've tipped somebody. I know like all these things seem like, come on, but me, I miss it. I just miss the fact that, you know, when I'm just going on the way, there's just somebody that, Tosin, I'm not seeing you last week, the tires of your car has gone down. I just really miss that about living in Nigeria. It's just that, you know, we have this sense of unity. We're not just a one-man mopo, like we don't do, just everyone mind their business. I just like that sense of community. I like that oneness. I really love how Nigerians are so nosy, but in a good way. They care. You might be abosi, but they actually care. Like I just really like that oneness about living in Nigeria. Another thing I miss about living in Nigeria is going for Owambe parties. Like in Nigeria, I had an event every weekend back to back. And it's interesting because I'm not really a turn-up person like that. But obviously because of my circle, my age group, a lot of my friends are getting married now. A lot of my friends, their parents are turning 70 and, you know, 60 and, you know, milestone ages like that. So there was always something for me to attend. There's always someone's child having a naming ceremony. Everything in Nigeria is a party. So I just miss that Owambe culture, that komole dancing. I like the mindset of, I know that when I've stressed myself all week, on Saturday there's an event. Here, all the events I go for, if it's not like obviously like church related, I don't think I've gone for any social gathering besides the one the couples dinner I talked about. I don't think I've gone for any social gathering, and I just miss that, you know, going out, networking, socializing with people, meeting fellow bloggers, meeting YouTubers, meeting people that can add value to my business and my life. Just that I know that maybe because I'm still new here and I'm also working on, networking more. I'm meeting people in this city within my niche that obviously I can be friends with. But I miss that about Nigeria. I actually really, really miss that about Nigeria. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. In fact, I was just telling myself that on my next trip in Nigeria, to Nigeria for holiday, I'm going to spend every day doing something that would just, I know that when I come back here, I will be so like, I really had fun on my trip to Nigeria. Another thing I miss about living in Nigeria, obviously, is the weather. I know you will be like, give me your coat, let me take your sun. Trust me, like, I wake up freezing. In fact, I had such bad reaction to the weather when I first came here. I had serious cough. I was just coughing anyhow. Like, I get it now. When I used to come here for holiday all the time, and I'll be like, why are these people always coughing? Why is there always kapa in their nose? What's wrong with these people? Why are they so, full of germs? But when you live here, you actually understand, you get it. I was always coughing. I think I even suffered from chilblains. If you don't know what that is, I'll put it here. Go and Google it. Like, I was just cold. Like, I was just saying, God, I need the sun. And even here, it's so deceiving. Like, right now, it's so sunny. I'm filming this video with natural light, no external light. And guess what? I'm wearing a jumper. It's cold. Like, I'm in the house and it's still cold. So I really, really miss the weather. I miss the fact that even if Nigeria is really hot, like it's humid, my lifestyle in Nigeria was from AC to AC. So I'm leaving my house to my car, to the office and back. So I really did not have any reason to be in the sun that long. So even when I was in the sun, it was short while and I actually liked it. So I miss that. I miss the weather. Let me know if you like. I miss that. Yes, another thing I miss about Nigeria, or the thing that I know that probably has nothing to do with this video, but I'm going to say anyway, I miss my clothes, I miss my shoes. Moving here, I know people always tell you that, I think I really need to do another video on how to move from Nigeria to the UK. Learn from my own lesson. Don't be like Tosin. I'm going to tell you what works and what doesn't work. Like, I literally have like maybe 20 shoes here, and in Nigeria I have like 60. And I know people be like, really, how much more shoes do we need? But I just miss the fact that I did not pack appropriately. I just packed, like, I only had like 4 suitcases and I just put my things inside. But you can imagine living in the house for many years. You've built your life in a city, you have all your things there. So daily I'm like, hey, that black dog is in Nigeria. So yes, I miss my stuff. And I know that people will be like, but you can always get that. Do you know how much cargo is? Do you know how much cargo is? Let me tell you, it's £4.50 per kg. Do you know how much a suitcase is? So let's not even go there. So I just miss all of that. But hopefully my brothers, anyone that goes to Nigeria, they've been helping me with luggage. So I think I have 6 suitcases now here already, and I still have a lot more. And hopefully when I go maybe later in the summer, I would get all my things here. So that's all for my video. That's all I miss about Nigeria, or all I can think of that I miss about Nigeria right now. Let me know if you live abroad or you live in diaspora, wherever it is. Let me know the things that you particularly, that you resonate with, or the things that you miss about living in Nigeria. And that's all for my video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, that's like. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.